Hello guys, Runtime here. Today I will explain about distance and displacement. So if you're not familiar with it, because possibly you're in elementary, or you forgot in a long time, distance and displacement might sound similar, but they're not the same. That's why I'll explain it to you. Distance is the total path covered or traveled. For example, you start off from your house to your friend's house. Let's say you walk 20 meters east, 15 meters south, and 15 meters going west. 20 plus 15 plus 15 equal 50. You just reached a total of 50 meters, almost a kilometer. And of course, displacement is the shortcut, or should I say, the shortest path you will take to reach your destination in the quickest way possible. From what I said, when you reached your friend's house, it took you 50 meters, that's absurdly long. But you found the quickest route possible and reached your friend's house easily. Subtract 15 meters from 20 meters, you get 5 meters. But you went 15 meters south, that adds up to 15 meters. So now we got 5 meters and 15 meters. You think of adding them, then you're right. Do the Pythagorean theorem first. Get the formula, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Square them. 5 squared is 25, literally 5 times 5. 15 squared is 225, 15 times 15 again. Add them both, 225 plus 25, that's 250. The square root of 250 might be hard to solve. So we do the estimation method. The square root of 250 is approximately near 16 to the power of 2, which gets us 256. 250 is near 256, so we get 15.8. How do we get that? We do some research first. This part of a full equation might be hard to understand, so listen carefully. The square root of 250 is roughly, or approximately 16 squared, but now we're using 15 as the base. Add 250 minus 225 over 256, 225. 250 minus 225 is 25. 256 minus 225 is 31. So that's why we get 15 plus 25 over 31. It's roughly equivalent to 15 plus 0.806. But how do we get 0.806? We convert fraction into decimal. 25 divided by 31 is impossible, or so did you think it was. 25 is smaller than 31, so we add a 0. 250 divided by 31, 0 at the second slot. Add a decimal next to 0, then remember, 31 goes into 250 8 times. Subtract 250 by 248, you get 2. 2 is not enough because it's small, so we add another 0. We get 20, but 31 never goes into 20. 20 is not enough against numbers above its value. Bring another 0, that's 200. 31 gets into 200 6 times. 31 times 6 is 186. So 200 minus 186 is 14. So our 20 became 14. What a large downgrade. That's why we do the same thing, add another 0. We get 140. 31 goes into 140, approximately 4 times. We subtract 124 from 140, then we get 16. 31 again goes into 160, 5 times. 31 times 5 equal 155. And this continues so on. To get our answer, we get every number of times 31 has been multiplied. 25 divided by 31 is 0.8064, but its place value repeats forever. Note that by just saying it repeats forever doesn't mean it's infinite. We'll get back to the previous equation I said. 15 plus 0.806 equal 15.806. Rounded off to the nearest tenths, we get 15.8. So our displacement is 15.8 meters southeast. Round it off one more time, then you get around approximately 15 meters. That's all for today. See you on the next video.